Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1956 Ford Customline. Guys, this car is bad to the bone, man. It's finished in tuxedo black. It's got the two-tone red and black interior. Underneath the hood, guys, it has a pounding 429 cubic inch Super Cobra Jet big block that just eats, man. This is a fun car to drive. Tremec 5-speed, four-wheel disc brakes. Man, just a wicked cool car. A guy bought it from down in Florida. He actually didn't build it. He said it's a buddy of his that actually built this car, and then he bought it from him. But he said he built it 8 years ago. It's got just over 3,100 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. And like I say, man, it's kind of an old school hot rod, you know, with just 15-inch Torx and stuff on it. But man, you want to talk about a monster, man. This thing rocks. Slick paint, good stance, again, four-wheel disc brakes, Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. And just a pretty car, man. I love the looks of this car, and I'll tell you, man, another one of those cars that you get in it and you just love driving this thing. You can see they replaced all the chrome and stainless. Sorry guys, that's just a little water, a couple little water droplets on it, but look how nice the chrome and stuff is. I love horsepower, man. Stuff that makes a little noise, it just gets my blood flowing. Look how nice the chrome is. And he said he really didn't want to sell this car. He said he actually decided between this and his LS6 Chevelle. But he said he's just getting where he doesn't have any room, and so he's going to have to sell something, so he sold this car. Pretty car, man. Got a good look to it. I noticed a couple little marks in the windshield. But it is pretty. Love the two-tone interior. That's my favorite color combination. A lot of metallic in that black. It's pretty. You can see it there. He's got some metallic in it, man. It's pretty. I know that doesn't come off sometimes in a video or photos. You can't see it, but you can nitpick your taillight bezels there a little bit. Those are pretty nice. So those are probably original. Again, bumpers are new. Again, same thing. These chrome rings look original. Everything else looks like they were replaced. See, the car's nice and flat down the sides. Those are 15-inch American Racing torque thrust, BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. That's just a good-looking old Ford, man. This thing sounds great. Again, four-wheel disc brakes. There. As you go around, and there's a couple little marks in the trim. I'm not trying to pick it to death, but like I say, I want you to always know what you're getting. That is a pretty car right there. Nice and flat. Ken, healthy. The car's detailed up real nice underneath this hood. Healthy. 429 Super Cobra Jet. He said it's a thunder block, roller cam. You can see it's got a Barry Grant 4-barrel on it. That is a Ford Motorsports Dominator aluminum intake, Pro Billet distributor. It's got big tube headers, all aluminum pulleys and brackets, high flow water pump. I'm trying to think of everything he told me on this car. Power steering, does have vacuum. That'll stay up, I think. Yeah, it just stays. I think that might be for the trunk. Aluminum radiator. I'm sorry, it's got the vacuum operated four-wheel disc brakes. Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Aluminum radiator. It's got a shroud with a flex fan on it. Car's tough, man. I love little Cobra emblems on the fender. Good looking car. If you see something in that picture, just a little splash marks on the chrome there. I'll get that off. Again, couple little marks in your front glass. Mirrors are nice. Door handles are replaced. Door skins are clean. Love the two-tone in here. I love black cars with a red interior. Real comfortable bench. I jumped in this thing and drove it yesterday. Just had to cruise it. And great car, man. Fun. It's hard to stay out of it, man. You wanna feel that horsepower. I did it polished or chrome column with a billet wheel, Hurst shifter. It's got all Dolphin gauge cluster. Everything in here worked. Pioneer radio. It's got an H-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It is a 8.8 rear end with the. It's got. I'm trying to think. 373 traction lock gear. It's all painted in the trunk, and the car's clean, and it is super, super cool. Again, 3,100, just over 3,100 miles on the build. Car's clean underneath. I know they did. He said they did put floor pans in it, front and rear. I honestly didn't ask him about the quarters. Man, it's a good looking car. New sill plates. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all repadded and refoamed. Shifts out good. Clutch is good. That dash is pretty. I know the parking brake works. This car hits, man. Great sounding cam. Wow, this thing is fun, boys. Car's just got a great, that's just a good looking old school hot rod. I wouldn't even mind a set of the gray Torques on it, you know? Give it even more of that Woodward Avenue feel. 3182 on your odometer. See, all your gauges are working. Car holds great oil pressure. Nasty sound. Backup lights work. That's cool on that 5-speed. This car will just torch the tires, guys. This car just sounds nasty. Blower motor works. You know, I didn't check is the wipers, Jordan. Do they work? Doors open and close real nice. Oh, that wipers work. That car's got a killer look, man. And you don't see these cars, man. You drive this thing down the road, take it to a car show, you don't see them. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Have a great day, guys.